Governor of Nagaland, Padmanabha Balakrishnacharya, swears in as temporary governor of Manipur, while Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla goes on month-long leave. Only 6 cabinet ministers attend today's state cabinet meeting held at CM Secretariat. Meeting resolves various measures to conserve paddy lands, among others. Chief Minister Nongthong Mambirin announces cash prize of 5 lakh rupees to top performing panchayat under government's rainwater harvesting project. Police assures to file charge sheets against 3 accused in the murder of Ketrimayum Ongbi Sumita. JC against the murder takes out protest rally today. Villagers become enraged over discontinuation of Kumuching village to Gotangkot road construction under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY. And all Manipur selected candidates for Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch stages protest demonstration in demand for appointment letters. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Wusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor of Nagaland, Padmanabha Balakrishnacharya, has sworn in as temporary governor of Manipur at the Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan in Imphal at 5 this evening. Chief Minister Nongthong Mambirin, Ministers Karam Shyam, Thokchom Radhesham, Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar, Deputy Speaker K. Robindro, MLAs and top officers of police and CRPF attended the swearing-in ceremony. It may be mentioned that Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla is on a month-long leave to meet her children in the United States of America.
Vested in leave by Articles 155 and
State Cabinet meeting was held today at the Chief Minister's Secretariat with the attendance of only 6 Cabinet Ministers out of the total 12. Even though the exact reason behind the absence of some of the ministers is still unknown, it is assumed that some ministers must have been out of station. The Cabinet meeting resolved to implement the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 as a part of state land policy and to form a state-level committee to keep a check on illegal sale and purchase of land in the state. Chief Minister Biren stated that from this year onwards, 7 pay commission will be released into employees' GPF account, and from April of 2020, it will be given on cash as agreed upon earlier. The Cabinet meeting also approved around 6 years a pending recommendation of pay anomaly committee. Chief Minister Biren told media persons that those ministers who were absent in today's cabinet meeting were on leave. He said that some ministers cannot attend the meeting due to health reasons, while others are busy in acquiring visa to visit America. He expressed that overall the cabinet meeting was a success.
अखोगी लैंड पॉलिसी से 2014 दा तौगिबा एक्ट टू फजन इंप्लीमेंट तौननबगी पोर्ट अमा अदुगी मथक्ता या मरोइना एनी लम लैबा योनबा तौबगी रेस्टार तौनद्रिङैदा अमदुगी रेस्टार गी यंगसिनबा अखोई कमिटी अमा स्टेट लेवल की कमिटी अमा थमनी 7 पे कमीशन गी अमा अखोइना हाना यानगिबा दुमाइना 2019 दगी अखोई केनो द मोइगी जीपीएफ अकाउंट संगबा अदुगा 20 दगी अप्रैल दगी अखोई मोइदा केस होइना पीबाइना तौबनी मदुगी पोतुमा अखोई कैबिनेट ने अप्रूव तौखरे अदगी पे नोमिलीगी recommendation hangi lak pending laibani chahi manga tru surabani recommendation ngasi approve tawgre madugi formal order thone physically handicapped physically challenged to sing se normal da 5 years ni 5 years service se leiram da sing di yadi ba physically challenged to kangbu sing gi cheli naw sing gi yenga kanda moi na chahi mari da reduce tawgre cabinet ani ohum moi dali da masagi ngamdaba de kana gumbana america da satbagi visa sembagi suti loina niramaga satpani adum aya ba khoi ngasi taltare akhoi present hoy adu thoidona adu gumba karisu leite akhoi gi normal cabinet adum sathai.
Chief Minister Nongthungpa Biren has announced cash prize of 5 lakh rupees to top performing panchayat under government's rainwater harvesting project, calling for collective efforts right from grassroots level to conserve and preserve rainwater and groundwater in the state. Biren announced the same during the meeting held at Chief Minister's Secretariat, attended by elected members of the Panchayati Raj institutions today. He maintained that only higher authorities and relevant departments cannot solve the threat of climate change and urged everyone from the grassroots level, like the local bodies, Pradhan, Member, Zilla Parishad and ADC members, to work on the situation. Mentioning that rainwater harvesting mission is a brainchild of the Prime Minister of the country, Narendra Modi, Chief Minister said that we must find ways to harvest rainwater for farming purposes during lean season. Biren stated that the project will be carried out under MGNREGS and Integrated Watershed Management Program (IWMP) schemes. He stated that the present government has initiated rainwater harvesting schemes in hill areas such as Tamai, Chandil, Senapati, Ukhrul, Churachandpur at an approximate cost of 2 crore rupees each. Chief Minister Biren also mentioned that state's building bylaws has been amended to let newly constructed buildings install a rainwater harvesting system. He assured that there will be no shortage of funds for the project and further added that Manipur will be developed within 6 years when politicians, government employees and state leaders work honestly.
Finally, Panchayat, rainwater harvesting finally Pajana Tauba, Maniragagi Makada, the IWMP, Finance Commission Award Makada, rainwater harvesting finally Pajana Tauba, Amani Manga Kanadoi, Amani Manga the Manu Diesel Kanadoi, finally Pajana Tauba, Panchayat, rain, reward them say, the state government in Palakana, Panchayat to the point, reward Pradhan, the Zilla Parishad member or concern officials in the way state function the honor to body. Sincerely, walk the woman of the public conviction walk the woman.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthungpa Biren expressed apprehension about the fate of Manipur in 20 years due to the diminishing agricultural lands caused by construction of residential homes or other structures on paddy lands in the valley. Biren assured that government will start looking into the matter without further delay. He stated that a state-level committee would be formed to check the illegal sale and purchase of land in the state. Biren asserted that if anyone wants to buy or sell land, one must submit relevant documents to the committee and one can only procure land or sell lands only after approval from the said committee. He appeals to the elected representatives of the Panchayati Raj institutions to keep an eye on the illegal sale and purchase of land properly in their respective areas. He also urged the elected leaders to restrict the construction of buildings on the paddy lands in the state.
Yes, and every buyer seller ki tabari basi ki registration to say masi state level ki committee to le maru in law and order ki lady bataw bagi si kanano kari ka kramai to mo paisa mai pa mi rak ta lo laga paire ni na krai ni paisa to ki am ta de lo ki adu na madu ki streamline no na koi state government ki committee ma semba state government ki committee to semba ma to any restart no ai de salam ma le re asigi building sai le re restart again la ka ta restart to restoration official boundary da bujiki committee ju da hakal aka da committee ju na verify to ga aya ba bir ka da restoration ka mumbai na to system along la
3 accused in the murder of Ketrimayum Ongbi Sumita alias Ningol and the vehicle used in the heinous crime were produced before media in Porampad police station today. Speaking to media, SP Imphal East Jogesh Chandra Hawijam assured that charge sheets will be filed against the 3 accused at the earliest to give them befitted punishment. The murder accused, identified as 42-year-old Laimyum Indrajit Sharma, son of late Opendro Sharma, and his wife Brahmachari Marium Ningol, Laimayum Ongbi Sangita from Wangkai Thangapat Palace Compound, and 40-year-old Mohammad Abdul Wahid Khan alias Wahid, son of late MD Amir Ali from Khetri Bengun Mayai Lekai, and the Maruti van Omni E bearing registration number WB061306 were produced before media persons in the police station. SP Jogesh Chandra stated that an FIR has been registered against the murder of 56-year-old Ketrimayum Ongbi Sumita alias Ningol, wife of Ketrimayum Devendra from Brahmapur Bagyabati Lekai, whose body was found by the roadside at Tiam Chingjin under Irilbung police station on June 24. He also said that police has collected enough evidence against the miscreants. The SP appeals to refrain from serving mob justice to the accused but to trust in the undertakings of the police. Officer in charge of Porampat Police Station Morangtem Binod Kumar and OC in charge of Irilbung Police Station KH Okendro were also present in the press meet today. It may be mentioned that Laimayum Ongbi Sangita called Sumita to come and collect her money around 3 p.m. on June 24. But later in the day, around 10 p.m., husband of Sangita, Laimayum Indrajit, informed family members of Sumita on the phone that she succumbed to her injuries in an accident.
Imphal East District Police na thiba humba leptabi chatharak padagi main accused oiba ahum akoi custody da hojik pharaga leire aduga mihar pa sija moina seasonary ba Maruti akoi Omni van sisu akoi da hojik akoi custody da lakhalaga leire crime asi yamna nungai taba thodongni makoina thiang konjil gi ahang ba jagaru da puraga nupi asibu custody leiba moi ahum sina lautuna raga hatpane ase akoi establish tobong ame police na investigation makha ta chathari maral leiraba miyo singasi ain gi tobom tokpa akoi lokhotpam tokpa dandi chapchana phangnaba akoi district police na akoi kanna honari praja miyam na district police bu thajabiu aduga mob sagatpi ganu aduga masi akoi na dum tamchana akoi charge submit togani aduga maral leibasi matik chaba ain go dandi pigani aina.
Local residents took out a protest rally under the initiative of JSC formed against the deaths of Mayanglambam Ningol Ketrimayum Ongbi Sumita from Brahmapur Bagyabati Lekai today. Police halted the rally, which began from Brahmapur Bagyabati Lekai, upon reaching Brahmapur Nahabam Lekai basketball ground. After some heated confrontation, police and protesters reached to an understanding, following which JSC and local representatives went to submit a memorandum at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. It may be mentioned that Sumita was reportedly murdered by her debtor at Thiam Konjin under Irilbung police station on June 24. Locals of Khetri Bengun Mayai Lekai also held a public meeting against the murder of Ketrimayum Sumita. The meeting resolved to demand be fitted legal punishment to MD Wahid, who is from the same locality, if he is ever convicted in Sumita's murder. They also resolved to ostracize him permanently from the locality if he is found guilty of the crime. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Khetri Bengun Youth Club, KBYC, MD Firoz Khan stated that the locals will never support a guilty person. He also appeals to refrain from spreading hoax news on social media.
Maki Masanipa Asisangai Express ta Habe Iba Mari Lainaba Maki Keski Wafam the Pangtok Saba Babli meeting ni Aduda Mahak Asi Misi Yesida Yam Sauna Sienabegi Wafam Kabarda Sangai Express Kabarda Habakbana Maram Orega Aikogi Club Asigi Organization Pun Magna Mahakpu Kaigumba Maran Chapsabale Magadi Aina Maki Matakta Lauba Exanda Harbour Organization Singsina Support Towni.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on artist Haubam Sanaton from Nongmaibung Purana Rajbari and his invaluable paintings. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Haubam Sanaton's painting collection is a treasure for the future generation. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam and camera person P. Bobo.
Over
270 rare portraits of renowned persons painted by Haubam Sanaton are lying in dark, covered with dust, in his shop called Singh Publicity in New Chekon. His collection of portraits include portraits of Maharaj Bhagyachandra, Maharaj Gambir Singh, Maharaj Narasingh, Pauna Brajabasi, woman freedom fighter of Manipur Rani Gaidinliu, from the first Chief Minister of Manipur Maharaj Kumar Priyobrata to the current Chief Minister Nongthong Biren, governors of Manipur including Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah and late Maharaj Kumari Binodini.
ahal laman jingjina tauramba leiba asigi ang matho mayam leiramba ningthauron leiramba singse aina art gallery da thammaga tungi hauraiba angang sing sigida aikoi gisu seji si dong bai sumai tawini asangba minute ketan gai sumai tawi gamir singa si sumai tawi hara moi chakthok chaba phaugadaba adungba sayek ama amdabsu jade habagi ingoda wakhallon sida jam kanna ina pakhatba si karmaina paikhalakadage haibaduni aina thamjaningi wafam si.
About 60-year-old Haubam Sanaton, who is diabetic, is still hopeful that his efforts to preserve the rare image of late leaders and renowned persons of the state for the future generations will be acknowledged and recognized one fine day.
Hujik maki oina de thamoi da dum kappi aduga ahal laman jing sidaida pairiba ahal laman jing jaina jamna hujik ti thamoi si dum piksalak bai dare adi sum sahina sum saksalak adaidi aina tawningi ba thabak tu nadi ngasai gi moi nalla nalla leibanina ai asi pap si dum puraga aibo asung ba tahoi da ba thabak la ne ain tawri si buka kaina wakhan sing da ingon da nuai ta ba jam phaureba aduga masi mamang ai da ina jamna kanna tawgi ba de lei masi karino masi khena ba si karino ka kaina maradi manipur ge khang hairaba ahal lama hai tarin aduga naha da so ai masi try kayam tawgi ai buddha chandra ga si tholang puthoga si kanano ga hangbada moina heta hai ngamdaba jisi tongbra puthoga bauda hai ngamdaba jisi tongba ji kuidreba ai Rabindranath Tagore mu puthoeba Rabindranath Tagore puthoga kandadi asi Rabindranath Tagore ne hairakpa adai di Mahatma Gandhi puthoya adum hairakpa madai da aina khaliko oh asoi ba si sida sum leira boine gai sum tom to khanjai masidi ain tawri si soidana chungani maramdi khangdaba se khangna ba art gallery ma sem bai ba se akoi gi ithau ne haibane ba.
Haubam Sanaton, son of late Haubam Dhabalo and Haubam Ongbi Dashumati from Nongwaibung Purana Rajbari, has an inborn talent for art. In his early days, Sanaton used to travel various places in both hills and valley regions of the state and took photographs of the places he visited. His collection of photos of renowned persons and news and events of the state is becoming an invaluable photo archive. Sanaton still keeps his hobby alive. He still takes pictures of various news and events happening in the state and paints some selected photos with the same enthusiasm as in his younger days, which he firmly believes is his contribution to the society.
Manipur gi mafam khuding mak lambi thong pa turen hong khrido ba hong khraga do ba kaino mayam ning se ai matam du gi adum khallaga lakpani na imadu gi photo su dum loksan jaraga dum ainum lakpane da ai gi wakhandi ipa ning si ipu ning si ipu sing du gi ipa sing du gi ngasi lambi lamchat mayam jing se kadai da kari kadon da no aina masi thina ba honarak pada ai ngasi di salai gi phiduklon adu gi phiduklon ahal laman gi yumko khuding da chaklu raga aina thiba horakhi ba mayam jing do tehi umbu chujal abani na atai thiba di to oge araiba athiba kharase masim dei khara sapong nam exhibition matanga pangthok sage gaina adik handa khanjabadi lei.
Like any other artist, Sanaton came across various trials and tribulations in his life. His art gallery, once named Singh Portrait Gallery in New Chekon, was shut down in 2013. It was the saddest day of his life.
2013 sangakba dawai dagi gallery si thupchalaga sida pusale yamna masigi wan thoksidi masi tamoida ingonda ngasagi yamna kai giba numit ama oye ingonda masi chingthaba numita aigi curator oiramba thaina curator oiramba ingare baina maksi suddenly kadonde la ibnu khangde ma camera ga puraga lae adu ai lauthagane gai pau su khangpote ba ngasagi camera ga puthaga mana launa khona ga tawgi adu dagi putharaga masidei da namsan gi basi ngasagi ingare masu masu kappi yamna kaino tawribse ka kaina da khoi jo dum thamoi da masi kai nate punsi ai basi kaino tane gai khali adu thamoi di jam kai ba numit oi ge iman numit tu tarik le ai ge gallery ai ge art kaino da diary da phajana che na thamjan jai.
Not giving up on his passion, Sanaton took part in 2015 Shanghai Festival, where he exhibited his rare portrait collection. The exposure caught the attention of former President Pranab Mukherjee's secretary, who arranged a meeting for him with the president at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. He also got an opportunity to participate in the 15-day Artist Writers in Residence program held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan.
अब्दुल कलाम ना आप क्या चाहिए आइन हरे अब मतलब नुदा आपका दर्शन मिलकर मैं आभारी खुशी है सर मैं कुछ नहीं चाहिए तो मैं हाइदो उड़े असी वारी सी सीधे दे लागा कनागो में हंग पो हंग दे हेक्ता खुमु कांदा इसे हेक्ता नंग से अपंग बनी खाए अपंग बनी नंग मदुदा निहौरगा दिन नंग नहान गैलरी फंगदोरमने दुनिया दा याम कन्न हाइन तौबियबा अदा आगी इसासी दे अदु माइन तेबा मैतै दसु इरमदम दसु यामना असी यामना पिक्सन बे वाफम नतेको अइदि अखोगी कैनोसिंगजिना अदुम तौबिरकने हाइबगी थाजबदु लेयबा लुरिदा इथौ सुबदुनेबा
Philosopher, painter and photographer Haubam Sanaton continues his work preserving the art and culture, script and lifestyle of the state with unending passion. His rare portrait collection, which are lying in dark covered with dust, needs to be exposed to get its much-deserved appreciation and recognition. For Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam and camera person P. Bobo, this is Joyশ্রী Ushab, Impact News, Imphal. Now moving ahead, villagers got enraged over discontinuation of the construction of over 10-kilometer stretch of road from Kumuching village to Gotangkot under Saikul subdivision, which started under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY. Construction of the road, which was sanctioned by the Ministry of Rural Development, was carried out under one contractor, Mingting Horam, and a subcontractor named Poirei since January 12 this year. However, after filling earth over 1 kilometer stretch of the road, the repair came to an abrupt end. Around 4 months after the abrupt end of the work, a team of media persons, leaders of Kumuching Village Authority and workers of Eastern Wi-Fi Coordination Committee, Kangpokpi District, inspected the condition of the road today. Speaking to media, Chairman of Village Authority, Yangkholet Wi-Fi, stated that the road is a vital road for Wi-Fi community as it connects 10 Wi-Fi community villages including Shoramphai, Kumungtampak, Lairok Wi-Fi and Kamu Lairok. He urged the government to ensure completion of the road within the stipulated time, that is July 11, 2020.
Mana Sishimbo Uraga Tha Hapta Mara Simamaga Amukto Ekoi Waipi Areasi Lambisi Payana Simbi Hui Paudu Paudin to Bujana Kara Payana Simbi High Hibani Mama Madumatam the day Hoi Hiraga Payana Simbi Hiraga Hapta Mara Surama Mukto Yaradi Masi government means some bidon Masi Lambisi Kara Pajana Simbi by government Ehoina Pilto Lambisi Patri Hui Pound of Sikudung Chavas Yam Vale Yarim Kadi Masi Lambisi Payana Simbi
Irabat Foundation and Singjamay to Lilong United Clubs organization drew the attention of the state government to check the construction of illegal residential homes and industries at Kiamgai Local. Members of the two organizations inspected the farmland today. Speaking on the sidelines, Secretary of Irabat Foundation T.H. Ajit urged the government to protect the farmland without further delay.
The Conservation Pedili and Wetland Act Hydana 2014 passed out the government must act when all of the Hydana Masisanani, Masi came to Tobayaro Hydana, Sakrapa Port Amabo, Nasi, Natera Kanda, Mapuna, Logo de Batodan, Logo de Department Sing, Masaki Executive Department, Revenue Department, Settlement Department, Masina Kanamata, Yangshin Bidan Nasi Pauda, Natera Tamba. Aduga amada hangurusu masi agriculture department gi kaimta khoi complaint lagte ari revenue department su amana complaint lagte haibagi makhoi masin gi onjana laibagi mawu mulakba.
All Manipur selected candidates for Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch today staged a protest demonstration in demand for appointment orders of the selected candidates of the Manipur Police 2013 batch results declared on December 22, 2018. The protest meet was staged at Kishampad Lemurjam Lekai. Speaking to media, President of the Association, Ahong Shangbam Binoy, expressed disappointment at the delay in issuing the appointment order. He stated that candidates who toiled for the job since 2013 are suffering. He warned of a democratic form of agitations if the government failed to pay heed to their demands.
Honorable Simgi Machin Maktagi, Aikogi Tabak Tuba Matam, the Togani Haibusu, Haibira Kide, Mana, Haibabu, Nogi Tabaksi, Saitara, and Waramni, Aduna, don't worry, Harakandu, Hadro Kibalare, Masi, Asuki Matik, Aikogi, Leba, Amagi Mapima, or a Kanduta, Tauriba Tabak Asibu, Kaisulatan Kanbase, Masita Sing and Nuazate, Saitare and Wazar of Aduga, Tataruk Tabak Asibu, Haiduoga, Namzalaga Tambiriba Sito Viganu, Aikoina Nasi, Taujariba Dana, Asi, Tagiba deadline to give Matunda, Sarkagi side to give positive response Laktabadi, Tauzavani, Masiki Matunda, Karigumba, Taukaba Targadi, Hena Matunda Su Aikoi, continuation Oina, Dana Sedum Satazagani, Haidana, Paliba Gamengi site, Aikoi, candidate Amasun Garjansiki site in Singari.
Manipur State Women Rights Commission held its 21st Foundation Day observance at the courtroom of the Commission in Lamphel Court Complex today. Acting Chairman of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, Chairperson of Manipur State Women Rights Commission, M. Binota, and Chief Executive Officer of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Gaubudon, graced the event. Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani also released a journal entitled Special Newsletter of the Commission, which includes records of various works undertaken by the Commission till date. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR today held a one-day awareness program on child rights focused on Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection Act 2015 and Protection of Children from Sexual Offences POCSO Act 2012 at Triveni Public School in Lilong Chajing in Imphal West District. Resource persons stressed on JJ Act and POCSO Act in the event. Around 200 students, teachers and staffs of the school were present in the event. Manipur also joined the rest of the world in celebrating the 139th birth anniversary of physically challenged world-famed author cum politician Helen Adam Keller today. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur organized the event at Terra Market in Imphal West District. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of the deaf and blind Helen, who became world-renowned author and political activist. Many differently abled persons and people in the area attended the event. Various tree saplings were also planted at the complex of Ideal Club Terra on the occasion. Manipuri film actor T.H. Mahesh presented street lamps to Kwakaitel Akam Mamang Lekai and Kwakaitel Divan Lekai Chaukat Tharang Nupi Loop as a part of a digital Kashamtong campaign today. The distribution program was held at Madrabha Brajamohon Ji Mandop in Kwakaitel Divan Lekai. Imphal West Commando team today demolished various illegal shops open at Alugali in Thangal Market. The team led by Commando OC of Imphal West Achauba also carried out similar drive inside How Market and demolished many makeshift street shops. Seized items during the drive were handed over to city police. A team of Thawal Commando arrested a vehicle thief in possession of a stolen four-wheelers near Thawal Fire Substation around 3:45 p.m. yesterday. The miscreant is identified as 22-year-old MD Aslam Khan, son of MD Nizamuddin from Khabaishoy Sabalekai. The seized vehicle is Maruti Vitara Brezza, bearing registration number MN06 LA 3022. The team also seized a smart card of the vehicle registered in the name of one Kumanthem Kamba Maitei from Oripok Kangchup Road, Thingbaijam Colony. A combined team of Thawal Commando and 26 Assam Rifles arrested a suspected cadre of proscribed KYKL from his residence around 6 p.m. yesterday. The miscreant is identified as 20-year-old Sagol Shem Nongyai Maitei alias Nauba, son of S. Manau from Langatel, Kangjebung Lekai. Chief Conservative of Forest TP1 T.H. Mahendra stressed the need to make use of advanced scientific techniques for promotion of state's bamboo products to boost the state's economy. He was speaking in two-day awareness cum workshop on propagation and utilization of bamboo, jointly organized by Divisional Forest Officer and Central Forest Division at FDA Hall of Central Forest Division in Manipur today. Mahendra stated that with the advancement in scientific technology, bamboos and wood can give us equal benefits. Altogether, 50 trainees, including bamboo farmers, 30 bamboo artisans, and 20 forest staffs took part in the training program.
Yung kuding si open silo ina lenga me ana koi resource base se dum koi kitang pagala laga skill ji kitang pagalan tarde so ina makki wa dagi Manipur economy da ina thamse ki ba central lambi da family level da village level da changhan baya ba penetrate to baya ba madu ma sector mani Manipur ki bamboo species ki base systematic saw resource potential de lega masigi exploit to chang and ngasigi training sina Manipur sarkar na adagi Bharat sarkar ki national bamboo mission pam meba panan do kadang also pi angani have ki thazal.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor of Nagaland Padmanabha Balakrishna swears in as temporary governor of Manipur, while Governor Dr. Najma Hafdullah goes on month-long leave. Only 6 cabinet ministers attend today's state cabinet meeting held at CM Secretariat. Meeting resolves various measures to conserve paddy lands, among others. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin announces cash prize of 5 lakh rupees to top performing panchayat under government's rainwater harvesting project. Police assures to file charge sheets against 3 accused in the murder of Ketrimayum Ongbi Sumita. JSC against the murder takes out protest rally today. Villagers become enraged over discontinuation of Kumuching village to Gotangkot road construction under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana PMGSY. And all Manipur selected candidates for Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch stages protest demonstration in demand for appointment letters.